Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add a cover to your video here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps out the channel with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the very first thing I would definitely recommend doing is going and opening up TikTok once you've created your video. Once you've done that, all you need to do is go to the left hand side and click on upload. From here, you'll then want to select the video. So let me see if I can find one that I recently completed. Drag and drop and put it here so that it uploads. You can see, oh, it's a lovely, yes, I definitely want to change that cover photo. What I want to do now is go to the left-hand side where it says cover and click edit cover. From here, I can then drag and drop and select the cover I'd like to use from inside the video. If you'd like to use a separate one, you can simply go to upload cover and just upload from your computer. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.